Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Paysafe to Wise. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it helps me out. So to get started with the guide, just create a digital wallet that accepts Paysafe card deposits to transfer funds to your bank account, then add those funds to your Wise account, and this is a best workaround process since there is no a direct transfer between those two platforms. So to get started, you have to deposit Paysafe card fund into Skrill. So create a Skrill account, then visit the Skrill and sign up, then add deposit fund. So deposit fund, log to your Skrill account, then navigate to deposit, then select Paysafe card as your deposit method, then enter the amount and your Paysafe card pin. Then note that depositing of our Paysafe card may incur fee, which is the charges. Then after that, withdraw the fund from the Skrill to your bank account. So initiate a transfer. In Skrill, go to withdraw, then shows your account, the bank account as the withdrawal method. Then enter your bank details, then confirm the withdrawal. Then the processing time for withdrawal can be between 1 to 3 business days, depends on the bank network. Then after that, you have to add the funds to your Wise. So to do this, log into your Wise account, then access your account, then navigate to add money section, then select the cryptos or the currency or amount. From there, then choose the bank transfer as the payment method. Then follow these instructions to transfer fund from your bank account to Wise. Then the processing time for the transaction of the fund may vary, depend on the network and the country, and can typically take between 1 to 2 business working days. And that's how you can simply send money from Paysafe to Wise. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.